Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in this week's video we're going to be doing a luxury haul. These pieces make me very excited. I'm just curating and fine-tuning my style like I said in a vlog earlier this year. Let's get into it.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
These things I've bought over the last 6 months, and like I kind of have to divvy it up into 2 hauls, but there's some good pieces. Diesel is that girl. I was like, that is the piece. Like, I saw the handbags going around and I saw like some of the other ready-to-wear pieces, and I almost wanted to put everything in my cart and check out, but I'm like, calm down. What makes you the most excited? And when I saw this jacket online, I was like, I went into the store immediately. The guy was like, oh yeah, that's sold out. It just came in. I think he said he bought it, and I was like, it's a men's jacket, by the way. I'm like, whatever, I'm gonna find it on Farfetch, which I was hating on Farfetch before, but Farfetch literally has everything. If you can't find something, they usually do. And usually there's always a code going around with Farfetch as well too. So I definitely got, I think I got like 10% off or 15% off. I have a couple of oversized racer tees, and I'm like, I really just, icing on the cake, a racer jacket. This has patches everywhere on the front and the back. The funniest thing, it actually says take the D, but it actually means to say take the, and if you turn it to the back, I'm just making up words. Nitrogen, I know nothing about cars, babe. And I like this nudish color scheme. Vetements and Balenciaga are probably my top 2 brands, and what I had picked up from them a while back, combat boots. They're just simple and all black, and I honestly just wanted an updated version to my Prada pair. It has like the Vetements on the tab here. It says it on the back. To be honest, they look like Docs, but they're Vetements. I really like this look, and I was wearing it a lot in the winter, in the snow, but honestly I should probably slip them on with a pair of like cut off shorts in the summer now, and it'd be like a pretty sick look. This really cute neon beanie. I know I did that video on how to style big curly hair with hats, but this is just not one of those hats that I can do it. My hair is way too thick for it. I have to straighten my hair when I wear this. I also have the matching socks, which I will feature in an upcoming vlog. Something from Moncler. No, I have a couple of pieces from Moncler. In the springtime, I had picked up this light windbreaker jacket. It's kind of like for the rain, but it's a good windbreaker at the same time too. It looks like patent leather. It's really hard to describe, but I think it's a really cool finish. I like that the waist can cinch and it gets kind of almost like, it's kind of like a peplum a little bit, makes it a bit more feminine. This is called the Tia jacket. The Tia jacket. I have a bucket hat problem. Would you say it's a problem? I mean, what's the definition of a problem? Or harmful and needing to be dealt with and overcome? No, it's a lifestyle. It's a bucket hat lifestyle. I have a collection at this point. I haven't worn it yet, but like with these cargo pants, that's gonna go crazy. It also comes in black, but I already have a black Jacquemus one, so I was like, let's switch it up. That one was women's, but this one here is a men's bucket hat. I have a brown bikini, so I was like, this and a brown bikini, that would be a crazy look. Reversible bucket hat. So on the opposite side, just navy. It says Moncler, and then I thought this side would be an easy everyday bucket hat with jeans. And I like this bucket hat because most of mine are wool or thicker fabrics, water resistant nylon. So for by the pool or whatever, like this is it. Because of this fabric, it kind of slips off my head easily. I'm gonna be careful, maybe don't wear it on a really windy day. This makes me happy. Don't like in your face yellow. Okay, I bought that neon beanie, but like that was purposeful, and that I don't have to explain with those. I like soft yellow. Like pastel yellows are just so dreamy and to die for, and I picked up this baseball hat, which almost looks like a trucker hat, like the shape of it in the front. Their baseball caps are like pretty like inexpensive compared to like other designer places. So as per usual, I always have everything linked down below. Oh, and I wore it with like this yellow little cardigan I had the other day. It was a look. It was a look. Last thing that I have from Moncler is probably have to do an updated sunglass collection if you found me from that video. These are really cute. they're like circle rose gold frames. And the detailing is so pretty. Around the rim, it says Moncler. And that little detail, it just really does it. You can really only tell if you come like close up or if you're looking like bird's eye view at me. This like pink kind of tortoise shell around the ends. And you have to wear them like lower. Like you can't really wear them up here. It's like, it's not the vibe. You have to wear them like that. They also come in black, but my friend was like, they looked a little bit too Matrix, you know? What's that dude? Are we doing Wang now? So I have 2 pieces from Wang. Sandals I unboxed on TikTok, and a lot of you guys had liked them. Wedged flip-flops. Like I said in the caption, they are a 90s dream. It just has the classic logo all around the foot. It's just a very flattering shape on the foot. Like the way the foot arches in these, they're not too high, they're not too low. They're relatively comfortable, but this canvas part is very hard and stiff, and it rubs my toe. 6.7 out of 10 comfortability. But I'm going to buy a pair of flip-flop insoles and have like a rubber bit like wrap around here, so my toes should be okay after that. But other than that, the heel height and like this part is pretty comfy, so I think these are really sick. I spoke about these in my Essence video, but I had picked them up from Holt Renfrew. Take a wild guess. I wanted this for so long, and I was like, you know what, I don't need it. Oh, I think I slept on it for like 2 years. A year ago, I was like, dang, I still really like it. A couple months ago, around my birthday, I was like, I still want that bag. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it, I'm not gonna get it. And then I got it because honestly I was like, you know what, at this point I could have worn it so many different ways, because my birthday dress had these crystal chains on the hip, and I was like, if I don't get this bag, like it's just not gonna be a moment, like it's not gonna be the vibe. So I'm like, you know what, let's do it. And I'm so glad I did it because I wear it so often, and that makes me feel so good when I wish list luxury pieces. Like whenever I show you guys some things, like it's very rare that I make impulse purchases. I just, not that I want to be a good example for the public, but I just want to be a good example for myself and know that, I mean, I'm not going to put myself in debt, or I'm not going to like not use things that cost a lot of money, right? Alexander Wang Eris bag, and she is beautiful. She sparkles and she shines, she dances. But if you wanted this bag for a while, get it. No, it does not come with this strap. I actually added this strap from another bag that I had, and it fit perfectly, like the silver hardware and everything, because it's cute to wear it in the crook of the arm. Like it's a vibe to wear it like that, but sometimes I want to put it on my shoulder, especially for a casual outfit. If you guys have more questions, I can maybe do a separate handbag video on it. I do have another handbag like review coming up on a piece you haven't seen yet, so like no one has seen it. A lot of these things I bought months ago, so if you ever want to keep up with me and see things in more real time, follow me on TikTok. I usually do all of my unboxings there first. This might be my toxic trait, but like I buy denim jackets and I don't wear them. You know that Balenciaga denim jacket that I did a review on? You know, I actually haven't worn it before. I had that jacket for like 2 or 3 years and I love it. Like I love it so much. I styled it in that video, but I never actually wore it outside. I bought another denim jacket in a different cut. I just really like the straight, simple shape of this. It kind of gives me 90s vibes, and I feel like if I button it up halfway or like put it kind of off the shoulder, it'll just be a look, especially with those wedge flip-flops. This brand is kind of like a contemporary brand. It is called Samso. I got it at Holt Renfrew and it was on sale for half price. My like styling career, when I'm styling myself, that just paying attention to cuts and shapes and detail and the way things fall and drape and hang are extremely important to me, because I've spent years buying the cheaper stuff and I just end up throwing it out. I don't like the cuts and the way they fit after a while. This box is so pretty, and so is the case as well too. These, I know the shield sunglasses are really trendy at the moment, but this shape as well too. I don't know the name of it. I'm probably just gonna call it the Versace shape because those are like the classic like biggie sunglasses that like people have been wearing, but I like this rectangle straight look to them. I love this gold Valentino detail on the side. They're the exact design of the earrings that I want. This is such a vibe. They're kind of dusty because the girls and I wore it on the boat on Canada Day weekend. Valentino stud on the ends. I did unbox this on TikTok and these are so nice. They're also ones that you kind of want to wear a little bit lower, but you can kind of get away with wearing higher as well too. And yeah, a lot of brands have been doing this shape recently. A lot of people have the Balenciaga ones, and obviously there are the Versace ones as well too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful or entertaining to you. Let me know what's on your luxury wish list or things that you have picked up recently. Or maybe you shouldn't, because I'm not trying to get inspired. To keep up with me, make sure you hit my head to subscribe. Follow me on these other socials like TikTok, especially if you want to be the first to see unboxings, and click the bell so you know when I upload new videos. I love you guys so much and take care.